Good morning, my AIG students. I think I'm not going to cough today. I might do something else, but I don't think coughing is going to be it. Okay, today is the 7th, so let's copy this down. You know the drill. I write, you write, I speak, you listen. Today we're going to do similarity with perimeters and areas. Okay. Alrighty then. I'm going to do in class with you, step by step, the relationship that perimeters and areas have. I'm not going to do it in this lesson. In this lesson, I just want to compare perimeters and areas with each other and show you how to find ratios for perimeter and area between two objects. So first of all, we're going to find the ratio of the perimeters of similar rectangles. So let's say I have a small rectangle and the one side is 4 feet, 4 centimeters, 4 meters, it doesn't matter, it's 4. My bigger rectangle is 6, so the width on this one is 4, the width on that one is 6. It's really easy now to make a ratio. So we can say the perimeter of the small rectangle on top of the perimeter of the big rectangle would be 4 over 6 reduced, it gives me 2 over 3. I'm going to say this one more time. You can take any two sides that you have that correspond and you can create a ratio for the perimeter. For every 4 there is here, there is 6 over there, which is the same as 2 over here and 3 over there. Nothing weird with perimeter. However, area, when we look at area, okay, area, it changes a little bit. So I'm going to make this, do this again. Do the small one, which is 4, to the big one, which is 6. Only this time I'm going to do the area. So the area of the small to the area of the big. Now it looks like this. Looks like this. So far nothing's different. But because area is length times width, and the answer is square whatever, square centimeters, square meters, we are going to square this number. So I end up with 16 over 36. 4 times 4, 6 times 6. And then that I can reduce. Divided by 4 equals 4 over 9. So your area says this. For every 4 we have over here for the area, we have 9 over here for the area. That would be my ratio. Also, we can use proportions to find perimeter and area. Proportions to find perimeter and area. Okay? For example, a swimming pool and next to it a tennis court, and I can say the width here is 18 yards and the width here is 10 yards. Now look at this. They're going to give us the area of the small one. The area is 200 square yards. The perimeter equals 60 yards. So to find the perimeter, I'm going to do this. The perimeter of the tennis court over the perimeter of the pool equals the width of the court over the width of the pool. Please take note. If I have the court at the top, I must keep the information of the court at the top. If I have the perimeter at the bottom, I must keep the perimeter at the bottom. And now I do this. What is the perimeter of the court? It's 60. Okay. What is the perimeter of my pool? I don't know. I don't know. What is the width of the court? 10. What is the width of the pool? 18. And now I'm going to cross multiply 1080, 10x, and I'm going to get x alone. Divided by 10, divided by 10 equals x. What did we just find? The perimeter of the pool is 108 yards. Okay? Now remember this information. I'm going to block off this area so that I can do your area there. Area, lots of areas. Okay. Here's how we're going to do the area. This time we're going to take the area of the court over the area of the pool equals the width of the court over the width of the pool. Only I must remember that for area, everything's going to be squared. So if I fill this in, I get this. The area of the court was 200. The area of the pool, we did not know. The width of the court, we know is 10. The width of the pool, we know 18. But since it's area, this is going to be squared. So now before we cross multiply, we've got to multiply this. So it's 200 over x equals 100 over 324. Now I cross multiply and get 64,800 equals 100x divided by 100 divided by 100. X turned out to be 648 square yards. Square yards, because we are working with area. We are now in class with the lesson going to do some patterns we see with perimeter and some patterns we see with area, and then we're going to do more of this, okay? So what did we do today? We found the ratios of perimeters and areas, and we also found perimeters and areas by using these ratios, and with one small difference with the area being that we got to square it because area is measured in squares. Okay, that's it for now. See you in class. And I didn't do anything funny today. Okay guys, bye.